Hey, what's up guys, JP here, bringing you another video this weekend. And this weekend I have got a busy but exciting weekend. Let me show you what I got going on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 USDA prime briskets. Okay, we're gonna see if these Masterbuilts can do 5 briskets. Come in. All right, we're gonna get this first brisket trimmed up. Man, this is a beast of a brisket. My gosh, you know, that fat that's right here, that's the hardest fat I've ever seen on any brisket. You know, we're gonna do our darnest get this sucker trimmed up nice, but I gotta get this fat out of here. Okay, this fat here does not render into anything useful. Okay, by the way, right there, that is probably good just for grinding up for sausage, but to the trash it goes. That's better. Okay, the deco is like the hard part. It's the fat that's between the two muscles. It's if you take a look right here, okay, this right here, this is you got what you call the flat, and then you got the point on top, and this piece of fat is what separates those two muscles. Well, it doesn't render into anything, so we take it out. I guess it could render into sausage, but we ain't making no sausage. We want to get this brisket trimmed up nice. Look at that. Number fat right there. Okay, that's gone. Got a little bit more over here, and we should be pretty close. Silver skin off right here. Yeah. This is the weirdest looking brisket I've seen. Yes, sir. Ooh-wee, man. Hard stuff right here. But trim a little bit more off right here off the top. Watching your hands, of course. Don't want to take too much of this off because this is what we want. Okay, this fat here on the top cap, it'll render down into our brisket, and that's where all the good flavors come from. So we got 5 of these briskets to trim up tonight and get them ready for the smoker tomorrow. So, all right, so this is all we do to our brisket: olive oil, kosher salt, and of course some coarse ground pepper. Okay, Texas style brisket, that is all it gets. Salt and pepper, baby. You put anything else, that's just extra. So let's show you how we do this. We put our olive oil on here, and you want to keep one hand clean, and the other hand is what you use for rubbing it down. You want to make sure you get this stuff everywhere. Flip this bad boy. Start with the salt. And don't be scared. You're not going to hurt this big old piece of meat. You can be liberal with the salt. Well, not too liberal, of course, but a little extra salt ain't going to hurt it. You want to get it everywhere. Ooh, yeah, there we go. Okay, and then, of course, our pepper. JP likes his pepper. It's gotta be good pepper. You know, good coarse. Yeah, when you can smell the pepper, like take a good whiff of that stuff. When you can smell it that strong, you know you got good pepper. Gotta get it on the ends. This is where the burnt ends comes from. All right. Flip this bad boy over and do the same thing again with some salt. This salt will get down into the meat, render it really nice, break down these this fat, this collagen, and you get you some good old brisket, Texas style brisket. Yes sir, yes ma'am. Yeah, we're gonna have some fun this weekend. Even layer just like that is all you want. Okay, you want to make sure you get every nook and cranny. Let me take a look real quick and see which way looks like they're running this way. I like putting some lines in it. That way when I go to cut it, I'm cutting perpendicular to these lines, and that'll help retain a lot of the moisture inside of it. Once the brisket is cooked, for some reason I have a hard time figuring out, you know, which way the grain is running. But that's really about it. Put the cover on this bad boy, put it back in the fridge, and tomorrow we are going to be smoking this bad boy in our smoker. Hey, what's up guys? It's Friday afternoon. Got my Masterbuilt fired up, got them to set to about 250 degrees, and it's time to get to smoking. Okay, we're gonna get these briskets in here and see how they do. I got a total of 5 full packer briskets that I'm gonna be smoking in both of these Masterbuilts. See how they come out. Okay, I do like using apple cider vinegar in my water bowl, so that's probably the first thing I'm gonna do before I put the meat in it. But we're getting there. Okay, it's time to get this meat inside the smoker and let's get it started. Rick, check this out. Ooh-wee. Man, you can smell the salt and the pepper, and this brisket has been marinating or seasoning all night long. And that's my little dog barking in the background. You know, don't pay no attention to her. She's overprotective. But let's get them in. Almost forgot. Gotta add my smoke. Got smoke in a can. No, just kidding. Pellet woods. Apple pellets from Smokehouse. That's what's going in here. We're gonna use apple wood to smoke our briskets. 1 cup of these is good for about 3 hours. So, all right, here we go. 8:20 in the evening. We've been smoking these briskets already for a few hours now. And if you can see them right there behind me, they're still putting out some smoke. We got 10. We got 5 briskets inside of it. And they have taken on a really nice color. Can't wait to see what... All right, here we go, guys. We're going to take a little sneak peek. We don't want to keep this door open too long, you know, because they say if you're looking, you ain't cooking, which, you know, that's one of the reasons I like this glass right in front of it, because you can see right through it. Let's take us a little sneak peek. Watch out for the smoke. Ooh, you see that smoke, baby? Look at that. Oh, my goodness. Yeah, it's starting to take on some really nice color. Let me close it back up. Let's go look at this one over here. Oh, yes sir, yes sir. Let's keep it close so we don't lose the moisture. Okay. They have turned out, or the color is really, really good on it. Okay, but we still got a ways to go. It hasn't even reached, it's barely at 131 degrees internal temp. But besides that, guys, you know, we're just gonna have to wait all night till we get it to 165. Once we get it to 165, then we'll wrap them up in aluminum, raise them up to about 195, maybe 190. Okay, but besides that, you guys stay tuned, and I'll show you what these briskets turn out like. And people out there shooting guns. Who knows? It's 1 o'clock in the morning. We gotta get these briskets wrapped. I got 3 of them that have already reached the 165 temp, and we're gonna get them wrapped, and then we're gonna rotate them in our Masterbuilt, because what happens is the heat seems to be, you know, trapped up at the top. It'll be 2 different temperatures, so it's a lot hotter towards the top of the Masterbuilt than it is as we move to the bottom. So we're gonna wrap the top one, rotate them, and when the other brisket gets up to 165, we're gonna get it also wrapped up. But for right, comes with the territory. You know, you want to smoke barbecue, you want to smoke brisket. It takes long hours, and you know, sometimes it takes you into the nighttime hours if you want to have this brisket for tomorrow. Okay, all right, well, I got my gloves on. Let me get this first one out. Close it up, that way we don't lose no heat. Take a look at this brisket. This brisket has turned out really nice dark color. Okay, I don't think I can add any more smoke to it. This is a really nice dark color. I'm hoping that it took on a very nice smoke ring. All right, let's get it wrapped up. That way we don't lose no heat. And that's all we do right here, guys. We wrap it up with aluminum. Double layered the aluminum, and we're done with it. Let's get this bad boy put back in. Put the probe back in it, and get it to a 190, 195 internal temp, and we'll be good to go. Okay, so I got to do this to 3 more briskets, and I'll see you right around when it hits 190. All right, just got these briskets wrapped up. Got 2 of them wrapped up and rotated the briskets inside the cabinet. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay. There's the brisket. That brisket there was on the top shelf. So all I did is once it reached to the temperature of 165, took it out, wrapped it, moved the one from the bottom shelf up to the top shelf, because the heat tends to concentrate more up at the top. Okay, but besides that, that's it. Once that one reaches to 165, we'll get it wrapped up as well. And did the same thing over here. Over here in this Masterbuilt, we got 3 briskets. Okay, so we rotated the top brisket down to the bottom shelf. Okay, and then just moved each one up. Hey, what's up, guys? JP here. Let me apologize right now. I completely messed up. I did not get any footage, or I'm not sure what happened, but I don't have any footage of the ending of this video for my briskets. You know, I'm not sure if maybe I deleted it by accident or what happened. But I will tell you this: 5 briskets and 2 Masterbuilts, no problem. Okay, they can handle it. You know, they did a very good job, including, you know, I even used the smokehouse smoke chief generator, and that thing, as long as you keep feeding it pellets, it's gonna be making some smoke. That thing gave it a good smoke flavor. The 5 briskets inside the Masterbuilt, no problem. It handled it like a champ. Okay, but besides that, I hope you guys like my channel. Do me a favor, hit the subscribe button. I got plenty of videos that are on my channel, and I got more videos that, you know, that are going to be coming out. So, you know, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, and you know, give me a thumbs up, and by all means, feel free to share this video with your friends. Let them know, hey, JP forgot to, you know, make up the ending for his 5 brisket challenge in the Masterbuilts. You know, oh well, you mess up sometimes. But I appreciate you guys very much, and I'll see you on the next one.